Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all once again to Vedantu Commerce. We are here for a better future. So let's start this session with some positive thoughts, with some positive vibes. Forget the mistake and remember the lesson. Forget the mistake and remember the lesson. So this is your today's schedule. After my session, you will be having your economics session with Neha ma'am at 7 p.m. So इसके बाद आपकी economics की class होगी with Neha ma'am. So guys, this is class 12th accountancy session. And if you want the upcoming events, if you want to know about the upcoming event, then go and subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce. And also do like this video and do share this with your friends. You guys can also join our official Telegram group Vedantu Commerce if you want to get the notes in the PDF form. अगर आपको notes PDF form में चाहिए, then go and join this Telegram group. The link is in the description box below. Hi Rachit! And if you want to discover a new way of learning for your boards exam, if you are searching for an interesting way for your boards exam, then you are on the right platform. You can take the Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. In this Pro Subscription, we are providing you all of these amazing benefits. I am all good, Rachit. What about you? So in this Pro Subscription, we are providing you all the 4 subjects: economics, maths, business studies and accounts. All the subjects will be included. Along with that, we are a pool of 10 plus teachers having 5 years of experience. So highly experienced teachers will be teaching you and you will learn something from their experience. The most important thing, all the teachers will work on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. We will work on individual student, which is not possible on YouTube. So this is additional feature in Pro Subscription. Also, we will conduct regular test series. We will provide you assignments regularly so that you can practice well. This is also not available on YouTube. And the most important thing, we are providing you more than 2000 hours of live online teaching. So you will be getting the unlimited access to live classes. You can watch unlimited live classes in a day, in a month. And the most important thing, all the classes will be conducted in English only. You were tired, but now you are okay. Okay. So the actual price of this Pro Subscription is 3499 for 1 month. But right now we are providing you flat 20% discount on this Pro Subscription. After discount, the price will be only 2799. For 4 subjects, you have to pay only 2799. So what are you waiting for? Go and take this Pro Subscription right now before your boards exam so that you can score good marks. And you can use my code SCPRO if you want to get 20% discount. And I would love to see you all on Pro Subscription. So now starting the today's session, today we are going to start a new chapter, Change in Profit Sharing Ratio of Partner. The chapter that we are going to discuss today is the second chapter of partnership, Change in PSR of the partners. So let's start this session now and let's start that how we will do revision of this chapter and how we will solve practical question of this chapter. So chaliye, let's start this chapter now, starting with the question number 1. So here we have our first Question. Purav and Purvi are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. There are two partners. Their ratio is 2:1. They decide to take Parv into partnership for 1/4 share. The new partner is admitted for 1/4 share on 1st April 2019. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 4 times the average annual profit of the previous 4 or 5 year, whichever is higher. So this is a very important line. Focus on this line. Goodwill is to be valued at 4 times. You will multiply the goodwill. To calculate the goodwill, you will multiply the average profit with 4. Now 4 times the average profit of previous 4 or 5 years, whichever is higher. तो आप पहले एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करोगे प्रीवियस 4 years का एंड प्रीवियस 5 years का. You will calculate the average profits of previous 4 year and previous 5 year. Whichever average profit is higher, you will multiply that with 4 times. You will multiply that with 4. So we are required to calculate the value of goodwill. हमें क्या calculate करना है? Goodwill calculate करनी है. So let's start this session now. The profits are 14,000 for the 2014 and 15, 15,000, 1,500, 10,000, 16,000 and 15,000. So previous 4 years are these. These are your previous 4 years. So add these profits. First of all, we are calculating the average of 5 years. So ये है previous 5 years. Add all the profit. 14,000 plus 15,000, 1,500 plus 10,000 plus 16,000 plus 15,000. You will add all the profits. We will add all the profit and we will divide it by number of years. सारे profits को add कर देंगे and we will divide the total by number of years, that is 5. So these are your total profits. The total is 70,500. So average profit of 5 years are 14,110. जो average आया है of last 5 years, that is 14,100 rupees. 14,100 rupees. This is average of last 5 years. Now we will again calculate the average profit, but of last 4 years. अब हम एवरेज कैलकुलेट करेंगे लास्ट 4 सालों का. सो जिसमें हम लोग 14,000 इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे. In this we will not take 14,000. So these are your previous 4 years. Previous 4 year, the total is 56,500. Now divide the total by the number of year, that is 4. Divide the total by the number of year, that is 4. So average profits of last 4 years. Average profit of last 4 years are 14,125. 14,125. Now the average of 5 year was 14,100 rupees. And average of 4 years is 14,125. So which is higher? दोनों में से कौन सा ज्यादा है? Which is higher? 14,125 is higher. We have calculated the average profit of last 4 years and last 5 years, which is higher, 14,125. So you will multiply this with 4. The higher average profits will be multiplied by 4 to calculate the goodwill. Now you will multiply it with 4 and the goodwill is 56,500. This is your goodwill at the bottom, 56,500. $56,500, this is the goodwill. So in this question, it was clearly mentioned that calculate the average of last 5 years or 4 years, and whichever is higher, multiply that amount by 4 to calculate goodwill. So we have calculated the average profits and then we have compared them, that which is higher. So the higher of average 4-year profit, the average of 4 year is higher, 14,125. ये वाला ज़्यादा आया, जो ज़्यादा आया उसको 4 से multiply किया because it is said 4 times. Now the goodwill is 56,500. This is the first question. Now tell me, is this question clear to all of you? Is this question clear to all of you guys? Come on, tell me in the chat box, is this question clear to you or not? Done, Rachit. So as you guys are not answering, so let's start the next question. Here we have our second question. The question is, Divya purchased Jyoti's business with effect from 1st April 2019. This is class 12th accountancy session. So Divya have purchased the Jyoti's business with effect from 1st April 2019. Profits shown by Jyoti's business for the last 3 financial years were as follows. The profits that are shown by the Jyoti's business are as follows. Now you can see that in this profit, abnormal gain is included, abnormal loss is included, and insurance premium is excluded. So first of all, we will calculate the adjusted normal profit because these profits are not normal. These profits are not normal. There is abnormal loss, there is abnormal gain, there is insurance premium. So first of all, we will find out the normal adjusted profit. Hi Mandeep, I am all good. So in the year 2016 and 17, the profits were 1 lakh. 2016 and 17 में profits हुए 1 lakh. But it includes abnormal gain of 12,500. इसमें abnormal gain included है. So abnormal gain क्या करना है हमें? Minus करना है. We will subtract 12,500 from this year profit. Minus कर देंगे 12,500. Then in the next year 2017 and 18, the profits were 1,25,000. The profits were 1,25,000 after charging abnormal loss of 25,000. So abnormal loss is included of 25,000. So abnormal loss will be added. You will add abnormal loss 25,000. This chapter will come for 6 marks. 4 to 6 marks. Then in the third year 2018 and 19, the profits were 1,12,500 excluding 12,500 as insurance premium. The profits are 1,12,500 in which you have excluded the insurance premium. So it is a payment which will decrease your profit. So it will be subtracted. It will be subtracted. So these adjustments you will make in your profits to find out the normal adjusted profit. Now, in the 2016 and 17, we have subtracted the abnormal gain. In 2017 and 18, we have added abnormal loss. And in year 2018 and 19, we have subtracted insurance premium. Your profits are finally this: 87,500, 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. These are the normal adjusted profit. These are the normal adjusted profit. Mandeep, please right now focus on the session. If you have any queries like this, you can ask at the end of the session. But please answer on the session right now. I won't be able to answer your doubts right now. So these are the final profits. First year 87,500. Second year 1,50,000. Third year 1 lakh. These are the final adjusted normal profit. Bye Mandeep. So now we will find out the average profit. Now we will find out the average profit. So add all the profits. Add all the profits. 87,500 plus 1,50,000 plus 1 lakh. And divide the total profit by the number of years. So there are 3 years. So divide by 3. Your average profits will be 1,12,500. Average profits are 1,12,500. What we have done? We have first calculated the normal adjusted profit of individual year. Then we have added all the profit and divided by number of year to calculate average profit. Average profits are 1,12,500. Now these average profits will be multiplied with 2 because the number of year purchase, there are 2 years purchase. Your number of year purchase given in the question is 2. So average profits will be multiplied by 2. So 1,12,500 multiply by 2, your goodwill is 2,25,000. This is your goodwill, 2,25,000. So, is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Come on guys, you have to only write yes or no and you can put that 1 minute effort. So let me know that if it is clear or not. Rachit, which point is not clear? Please let me know. कौन सा point समझ में नहीं आया? Please mention in the chat box so that I can explain it again. So now coming on to the next question. Now coming on to our next question. Give me 1 second, guys. So this is our next question. Why abnormal gain is subtracted? Because if you have gain, if you have earned abnormal gain, that is not normal gain which you earn usually. Because abnormal gain is something which you not earn normally. So if any year you have earned abnormal gain, the profits of that year will have increased. The profits of that year would have increased. So you have to decrease that, you have to subtract that. Because abnormal gain is something that you do not earn normally. So the profits for that year would have been increased by that amount. Now we will exclude that, we will subtract it. Hi Ujjwal, a very good evening. So this is our third question. X, Y, Z are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. The ratio is 5:3:2. You're welcome, Rachit. They decided that they share future profits in the ratio of 2:3:5. So this is old ratio 5:3:2. This is new ratio 2:3:5. Old ratio and new ratio is given in the question. They also decided to record the effect of the following accumulated profit, losses and reserve. They decided to record the effect of the following item without affecting their book value. This is a very important question. They decided to give effect to the following item without affecting their book value. It means that these items will not be distributed among partners. These items will not be distributed among the partners. We have to pass adjustment entry. We have to pass an adjustment entry to give effect to these items. So the adjustment entry is gaining partner capital account debit to sacrificing partner capital account. The entry will be gaining partner capital account debit to sacrificing partner capital account. So for this adjustment entry, we have to calculate the gaining and sacrificing ratio. We have to calculate gaining and sacrificing ratio. So the old ratio is 5:3:2. The new ratio is 2:3:5. So X sacrifice will be old share minus new share, 5/10 minus 2/10. Sacrifice is equal to old minus new. So 5/10 minus 2/10, X is sacrificing 3/10. Y's sacrifice 3/10 old share minus 3/10 new share, old minus new. He is doing nothing. Y is neither sacrificing nor gaining. Similarly, we will calculate Z sacrifice. Old share 2/10 minus new share 5/10. So 2/10 minus 5/10, it is negative 3/10. And if it is negative, it means the partner is gaining. अगर आंसर नेगेटिव आ रहा है, इसका मतलब ये है कि पार्टनर को गेन हो रहा है. So Z is the partner who is gaining and X is the partner who is sacrificing. So the journal entry will be Z account debit to X account. Z's capital account debit to X capital account. Now, before passing the adjustment entry, you will calculate the net effect of all these items. Before passing the adjustment entry, you will calculate the net effect. How? Add all the profits and subtract the losses. To calculate net effect, add all the profit and subtract losses. So general reserve is the accumulated profit. P&L account credit balance, it is accumulated profit, and advertisement suspense is undistributed loss. So we will subtract loss. You will add general reserve and P&L credit balance, and you will subtract the suspense advertisement suspense account. So 30,000 minus 12,000, it is 18,000. 30,000 minus 12,000, your net effect is 18,000. Net effect is 18,000, and you will multiply this net effect with the gaining share of the partner. So it is 5,400. First, we have calculated the net effect. Then we will calculate the gaining and sacrificing share. And third, you will multiply the net effect with the gaining share or sacrificing share of the partner. So 18,000 multiplied by 3 by 10, the amount is 5,400. So this is your net effect, 18,000. This is your ratio. X is sacrificing, Z is gaining. Now the amount is 5,400. You have multiplied the net effect with the gaining and sacrificing share, and the final adjustment entry will be gaining partner capital account debit, Z's capital account debit to sacrificing partner to X capital account, 5,400 and 5,400. Z's capital account debit to X capital account. Gaining partner capital account debit to sacrificing partner capital account. Yes, Gifty. So this was our third question. Now coming on to the next question, question number 4. So the question is XYZ. There are 3 partners who are presently sharing the profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. The partners are 3. Their ratio is 5:3:2. They decided to share the future profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3:5. This is the new ratio. Old ratio is 5:3:2. The new ratio is 2:3:5. Now, workman compensation reserve. Workman compensation reserve appears at 1,20,000 in the balance sheet as at 31st March 2018. So this is the workman compensation reserve. Yes, I am completely fine, Rachit. So this is the reserve 1,20,000, 1,20,000. And workman compensation claim is estimated at 1,50,000. Workman compensation claim is 1,50,000. So claim is more than the reserve. The claim, the workman compensation claim is more than the reserve. So first entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit 1,20,000 to workman compensation claim 1,50,000. So claim is more than the reserve. There is a loss of 30,000. There is a loss of 30,000. The excess amount is a loss and it will be debited to revaluation account. The excess claim is a loss and it will be debited to revaluation account. And after that, this revaluation loss will be distributed among the partner. The revaluation loss will be distributed among the partner. The journal entry will be X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit to revaluation. 30,000 will be distributed in the old ratio. You will distribute in the old ratio 5:3:2. 5:3:2. It will be 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. So this is your solution. First entry is WCR debit, revaluation debit to provision for workman compensation reserve. The excess amount is debited to revaluation because it is a loss. After that, the loss will be distributed between partner. So the entry for distribution of loss will be partner's capital account debit to revaluation. X capital debit, Y capital debit, Z's capital debit to revaluation. We have distributed it in the old ratio 5:3:2. This is your solution. Now tell me, is this clear to all of you? Yes, Mamta, lost must be beared by all the partners. So now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Yes, Gifty. Yes, Ujwal. All clear. So that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow we will be doing on Monday we will do the comprehensive questions of this chapter. So if you want more classes like this and more practical questions like this, then you can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription, in which we are providing you all of these amazing benefits that will help you to score good marks in your boards exam. The actual price of this Pro Subscription is 3,499 for 1 month. But right now we are providing you flat 20% discount, after which the price will be only 2,799. So you have to pay only 2,799 for 4 subjects. So what are you waiting for? Go and take your Pro Subscription right now at flat 20% discount by using my code SCPRO. And I would love to see you all on Pro Subscription. You're welcome, Gifty. So for daily updates and daily notes, do subscribe our channel Vedantu Commerce. And you can also like this video and share this. So go and like this video to show some love, and also share this with your friends. You guys can also join our official Telegram group Vedantu Commerce if you want to receive notes in the PDF form. If you want to receive the notes in the PDF form, then go and subscribe, join our channel. The link for this group is in the description box below. Now, if you want to score 95 plus in accountancy, then stay tuned for tomorrow's session at 4 p.m. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. I'm going to tell you that how to become a pro in accountancy. So see you all tomorrow with some practical questions, miscellaneous questions in Menti style, in CPT style, CA foundation style. So tomorrow we are going to discuss very important topic at 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. So stay tuned for that. See you all tomorrow at 6 p.m. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Mamta, my blessings are with you. You will surely score good marks. So thank you everyone for watching this session. If you enjoyed this session, then please give it a thumbs up. Now see you all tomorrow at 6 p.m. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Bye everyone. Thank you so much.